Thank you very much, Mayor Pons. Para sa nabuntag sa ato tanan. Pag-abot na ako kay na, ang mga itsura sa mga tao ba, I don't know kung nalipay o nahadlok. Man, jabay mga... Jabay na kumibawaan siguro. But anyway, I'm very glad to be back. Very thankful, actually really, especially to the Lord for a safe journey. Pero pag-abot na ako gay na, nag-leave ako, usaka ako ng bukid, pero pagbalik na ako si Mayor Pons mananiniwang. So, first and foremost, I would like to thank Mayor Pons Kasura for being acting mayor for the last 2 weeks. Ato palakpakan ang dedication ni Mayor Kasura. I admire the dedication actually for taking care of the house, and especially for the numerous activities that when I was away, we did great. First of all, during the Surigao Marathon, very successful. Palakpakan nato si Kagawad Carl Kasura in partnership with the Surigao Ultra Runners. It was the first Surigao Marathon actually held ever in Surigao, and it was very successful, attended by more than almost 800 participants. As I have been closely monitoring it, we had very good reviews. Ang mga bisita nato was felt the hospitality of Surigao. And most especially, I would like to thank sa mga barangay councils nato na nag-support sa Surigao Marathon. They showed their own hospitality. Even if na muabot na kao dito sa pinakaliblib na barangay ng Barangay Mapawa, pero pag abot nimo sa Mapawa, ma-feel nimo na unwelcome ka dun. Sa ma-feel ng runners and mahatagan ng rejuvenate an energy because of the cheering and hospitality of each barangay na tagagihan ng mga runners. It is something na very proud, maka-proud sa ato, hosting an event na participated, cooperated by private organization, by the city government and the barangays. It's lahi ragazud ang resulta, but non-event, but if there's collaboration. And also the 123rd Adlaw ng Surigao, as it was highly anticipated by the province. It has been well prepared by our Governor Lyndon Barbers. All of the activities was very successful. And it is something that we should always celebrate with pride. As you know, Surigao, the province of Surigao, has existed for such long, and it is something that we should take with pride, that we have continued this province, one Surigao pa siya at the time. And we have a very rich culture and history. I would like also to thank the initiatives being made by the City Tourism Office in celebration of National Heritage Month, especially the initiative of making tricycle drivers as tour guides. It's actually a very good initiative para sa ato, because ang tricycle daan mismo is already unique, some sort, hindi naman sila unique ang tricycle, pero the design of our tricycle, isa ra kataon anako nakitaan sa entero tanan siguro na ako nabiyahian, isa ra ang kapareho ng ato tricycle, which is nabunturan sa Combal, sa Davao de Oro. Pareho gazud, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 7-seater hamaga mo kita lain ng tricycle na 7-seater. Usahay kung mamista, maabot pa sa top load and kuan. And kadumdum ka mo doon, maabot pa sa top load. Tapos pagsaka sa Surigao Heights, tikangkang. So it is something that we should always promote because Surigao City alone has a lot to offer. And another pride and joy that we should celebrate is, of course, the top PMA graduating, a female and a Surigaonon. Nagtanaw na ako sa news, grabe gazud ang pagtuwao ni Kap Balid Ilumba in national TV, national news of the pride, and we share his pride as Surigaonon. As one of the things that we did during this administration is to host the PMA examinations. We have always offered Surigao City as an exam center, and it is something na makita nato that we can always excel in the things that we put dedication. We share the pride is because makita nato ang paningkamot ng isa ka tawo na dili musugot ng jaoy obstacles for success. Being a female at that, of course, jaoy danjon obstacles. And being a Surigaonon at that, kay ana ato lugar dili man siya known for high-ranking military personnel na magtabang sa mga kadete nato, but a Surigaonon, a female, harded all that to become the top graduate for the 2024 PMA class. And we should always emulate as we set our goals. Pag mag-set kita ng goals, never accept any reason not to achieve it. As long as God will give us opportunity to be successful, we should always strive for it. Strive in His name and glory. And so I look forward for this week and for this month, for the buwan ng magsasaka at mangingisda, Farmers and Fisher Folks Month. We will be holding Farmers and Fisher Folk Congress. And ato ini is the idea of this is all farmers and fisher folks organizations. We will rally all the support from all national line agencies kung uno'y pwede ma-offer na opportunities para sa ato sa ato sektor ng agrikultura, sa ato mga farmers, sa ato mga mangisdaay, because sometimes sa mga programa na national government waya mahibayuan mga mangisdaay or mga organizations. So we will have this Congress and we also need to hear them out. Our programs for agriculture should be directed towards kung uno'y panginahanglanon. And through our limited government resources, we could make a high impact. And not only that, it is a clear statement of our support to our farmers and to our fisher folks that this administration has a priority program for the sector of agriculture. And to all that, again, ako dakong pasalamat gazud kan Mayor Kasura, and to each and every one of you for taking the lead and the initiatives of always how to do better, of how always to work to make a successful program, successful project, and we hope towards the end of our term, it's only looking forward for the last 1 year. This time will be 1 year since hantod sa next na sad na election. We have been together for almost 2 years already, and we have did daas na Karazaw ang ato naabtan. Last push nato sa ato 1 year. Daghan pay Karazaw ato mahimo para sa Surigao nun. Marazo na buntag sa ato tanan.
Thank you.